potential of solar energy is huge. When we have all the data of the power plant, it's easier to see when there is something wrong, and that's one big advantage of digitalization. It would be possible to run the whole world on sustainable energy because the amount of energy that is provided is more than 10,000-fold what the whole world is consuming right now. The technology we have today is very well suited to capture a lot of renewable energies. These students that came to me, they have the right mindset to change all this.
We ask ourselves why there are no PV models on the roofs from our campus, because I think this is a very important energy solution to supply all the electricity for our campus or for our lives. So we asked to do a feasibility study for our semester projects, and they thought it's a nice idea, so why not doing it? From an economic point of view, it's interesting now already. They did it now, but it would be interesting even like 4 years ago. The next power plant they will do or install will be more interesting.
With digital system, we can see that the flexible loads, such as heating and cooling devices, can be operated at the time where we have the energy. It will become better and better and cheaper, but the technology we have today is very well suited to capture a lot of renewable energies.
Makes sense. These renewable energies are very important for us, for everybody, for the society, especially solar power is, in my opinion, it's the future of energy supply of the humankind.
We have the power of the sun, and the parts that we take off are so small, and some sorts of solar power combined could be a powerful energy for the future.
People need renewable energy because it is going to really affect our future, and so it is something that we definitely need, not just tomorrow, but today.